Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto Amazon Associates, and we're going to sign up, and once we have signed up we will become an associate for them. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our affiliate link. Now to get your affiliate link, what you're going to do is click on product linking over here, click on product links, and you will find how you can get it. So this way, this will show you that, with this associates account, you will get a site stripe. Now with this site stripe, whenever you go over to Amazon, they will give you this little stripe over here that you can see over here. You can have this stripe, and with this stripe you can get your product. So for example, if you wanted to promote a product, let's say these products right here, healthcare products, or some gadgets as well. Let me just search for gadgets, and then you will find these types of gadgets. And let's say you want to promote these, right? Like this one. This is a micro mini LED lighted pocket microscope. All right, so let's go say we want to promote this. So what you'll do is just simply hover your mouse over the product, and you will see you have the text, the image, and text and image. So just simply click on the get link option like text, and you will get the texted image over here, and you will also get the image as well, and then you will have text and image both. So pretty simple, right? Now let me show you how you can do it. So just a disclaimer, if you try to promote your links on Pinterest directly, it will not work. You will get banned, your account will be suspended, and you can't promote it. So in order to promote this, your links, your affiliate links on Pinterest, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a landing page. Now, a simple way to create a landing page is through WordPress websites or Wix or any other website builder. Just simply create a decent looking landing page and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and create a landing page on Wix.com over here, and I'll show you. So it's pretty simple. And once we've promoted our landing page, we are good to go. Now, if you're wondering why, let me just show you. So if I click over here, if I just simply search for Amazon finds, this is the type of thing we're looking for. So what we're going to do is we're just simply going to make these types of videos that showcase the product. We don't even have to show our face, as I said before. So when we see these types of products, what we'll do is we'll just make this type of video, all right, explaining what the product is, what they do, showcasing how neat they are. And then when we have it, we'll just go ahead and make this video and put an affiliate link over here in our profile. So if I click on this person's profile, you will see that she has her own website right here. And if you click on her website, it's going to take you over here, blushandcamo.com, her website, where you can see all of the products that she is promoting through Amazon. All right, so as you can see, all of the products are going to be over here. So this is the type of thing that we want, right? See, she has her Amazon shop over here, she has her TikTok shop over here, lifestyle and everything. So this is the type of thing we want. Want to create a landing page where we can have all of our products uploaded so that people can, come over here through Pinterest and buy them. So let's go ahead and go to Wix and create a website. So I already have this website, so I'm just simply going to select and edit this site. So over here, I'm just simply going to go ahead and click on edit this site and edit it and show you how you can create it and turn it into your own landing page. All right, so this is how it looks like. So as you can see, I have created this tab right here, this button. You can go ahead and put your own image over here. You can add in your name, you can add in your Instagram title, your Pinterest profile, all of that over here. Then you can add these tabs that will say your Instagram finds or Instagram shop or Amazon finds or Amazon shop or whatever you want. And then you can create a new page where you can upload your own different products. So if you come over here onto home, you will see I already created a page. To create a page, just simply click on manage pages and click on add page, and then click on blank page, and then you can go ahead and change the name and you can add your stuff over here. So since I already have it, I'm just simply going to go ahead and delete this page, and I'm going to shift over to my Amazon page over here. So as you can see, I already added the two products right here. So how do I add them? So first, let me just go ahead and delete them to show you. I'll just adjust the page height as well. I don't want to have the footer like this. Now over here, what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to delete these two items and show you how you can add them. Or I can show you how you can add a new product, right? So now first, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus icon, and over here, scroll down, you will see you have embedded codes. you just choose the HTML code over here and you place it over here wherever you want to place it, right? Let's say we want to place it over here, and we'll just scroll it down a little bit so that you can have it, you know, match the height over here. Now we'll just simply click on enter code, and over here we'll add the code. So go back to your Amazon store where you found your gadget over here, click on image and select large, medium, or whichever height you want, and then select all the code and then just simply copy, go back to the editor and paste it over here, and then just simply click on update. And then you can add an alternative title or whatever, but this is how it's going to look like. Then you have your, you know, image over here. You can adjust your image however you want to. So now we have a medium-sized image. I think that looks nice. Now we'll just put it right here. And now what we'll do is we'll add a buy now button. So we'll again click on the plus icon over here. We will have buttons, and we'll just simply click on this button right here and place it right next to this one right here underneath that one. And we'll click on change text and icon, and we'll just say buy now over here, and we'll add a link, right? We'll click on add a link and we'll choose web address. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the product page, click on text, copy the link, go back to the editor and paste it over here and click on done. Boom, there we go. Now we have our image and the product. Now what we'll do is we'll just simply click on publish. And now if we click on preview, this is how it's going to look like. So now let's go ahead and go back to the editor, and as well we're going to change the page background as well. So I'm going to click on change page background, and over here choose a decent sized, you know, background that, you know, best fits. So I'm just simply going to choose the color, and now we're going to go with this brownish type of color right here, and we're going to go with that. So yeah, I think that looks good. That looks nice. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on publish, and now we're going to click on view site, and now we're going to view it over here. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. You're going to have your all of your buttons over here, all of your pages, your shops, and then whenever someone clicks on Amazon finds or your whatever you want, then these images will pop up. Then what they can do is just simply click on buy now button. They'll be redirected to the Amazon page where you can buy the product. And then whenever they buy the product, you're going to get a percentage of that commission. So as you can see, that's how it works. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the link, you know, over here, you're going to copy it. And now whenever you come over to Pinterest, when you've made that type of video like these, you know, like Amazon hacks, like small TikToks, then what you're going to do is just simply click on create a pin, drag and drop your video over here, add the title over here, and add your destination URL, which is going to be your page where they can find all of it, all of the product, and paste that over here, and just simply click on save. And boom, that's it. That's how you do it. You can do this exact same method with other websites such as TikTok, Snapchat, or Instagram, and you can add the title, let's say link in description or bio, or click the link so that people can know that from the title where they want to, you know, click. So then they will be redirected to the Amazon page and you are good to go. So that's how you do it. That's how you promote your links on Amazon. That's how you do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.